Hello guys, welcome back. Let's start from breakfast. Today I had this very simple protein banana pancakes. It's basically half of the banana, splash of milk, protein powder and 1 egg, and you're good to go. First, I was recording tutorial for kids, so I had to prepare templates that you can download from my website. Click the link to see the video. As you can see, I was sketching ideas for the masks and all the needed elements, and then I prepared the printables. Recently, I gave an interview for this parenting blog in Poland, Ładne Bebe, and they asked me to prepare a banner for them. The theme was ordinary life, so I'm drawing a house with people doing various things inside. I do everything by hand, then I scan it and work a little bit in Procreate on iPad. Okay, little break. It was my birthday recently and my flatmate gave me SCOBY to make my own kombucha. It's pretty simple. We just need tea, white sugar, water from bottle and SCOBY. I basically infused 2 tea bags. I took English breakfast and peppermint. I waited for it to cool down. I added also 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then I added bottled water. The amount depends of how big your SCOBY is. So here's my SCOBY, very, very cute. Yeah, you add it in the end with the starting liquid, which is basically someone else's kombucha, and you put the clove on top, and you have to wait and just pray for the best. So see you kombucha in a week. Kombucha update. Looking pretty good. I cut some ginger, put it in a glass bottle, and now to the fridge. Proud mama. Recently I got order for a painting of a house, so I will do that now. It's pretty special gift from a daughter to her parents that I'm moving out from that house. I hope they will like it. I think it turned out pretty good. So that's the painting, and now I have to prepare it for the shipping. Yeah, I have few prints to make and pack as well, and after that we will go to the post. On my way to the post now. It's a little bit windy today in North London, and also some sun. Okay, see you later at home. My package from CasArt. It's a art supply store here in London. They have 2 locations. I'm not sure if they have more in UK, but this is like the biggest art supplies store around me, and I just ordered online because of course I can't go there and I'm running low of everything. So let's open it. So what we've got here. Tombow dual brush markers. I ordered some colors I've never had before, like this one. I haven't seen them in the shop, so I'm excited to check those colors with you. Pencils, of course polychromos, my favorite ones. So I ordered some, you don't belong here. Ordered some random colors. I have more of these, I guess. More colored pencils. Oh, look at this. I'm pretty excited about this one. And more of them. I didn't know I went so hard on yellow tones. Mamma mia. I also ordered some brushes and markers I have never tried before, so I'm pretty excited about that. Let's open them up. These are Faber-Castell watercolor markers. I ordered 4 colors. What else I've got here? Brushes. Also, I will reuse those to package my online shop orders. And a giant block of paper. It's A3 format watercolor paper. Okay, I think it's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed that vlog and thank you. Oh, one more thing, please subscribe, please follow me on my social media and leave a comment or like, it will help me a lot. Yeah, that's all. Thanks, bye.